So television's most loved couple are now set to rule the audio world also. Shabir and Shriti, welcome to IndianExpress.com. What is Darmiyan all about?
It is about a very, very mature relationship, a very mature friendship between these two people that grows out of difficult circumstances but grows beautifully because it's extremely engaging, it's extremely real. It's got a lot of warmth in it. It's got struggle, but it's got a lot of warmth in it also.
And about the choices you make in life and how it affects your life in a good way or a bad way, and then what choices you make to either rectify it or just go deeper into the pit that you're already in. So it's about the choices you make in life and then the choices you make again. So it's all that, and yeah.
How was it to actually work without cameras and just the voices doing the magic?
It was different to start off with, but as and when we moved from one scene to the other, it just kept getting better, and you started enjoying the process, and you looked forward to a scene and the little nuances that you put in between a line, and everything was so much fun. Everything, because it was all you're creating something that was never done before. So there is no benchmark. There is no format that iske andar ye sab karna hai. You could do anything and it works. So it's lovely.
It's a learning experience. Like you grow as an actor also because you learn to use your voice and you learn to use your pauses, and it's completely, it's just so much of learning in that process of recording, because you're told that there'll be an environment created around that scene, there are sounds involved, and you have to take pauses for a door opening or a door being shut, a car coming and stuff like that. So yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Why will an audio show work for the audience? What is your take on audio shows?
Because it's the most convenient way of consuming content or listening to a story, because you can do it anywhere. Because for any audio-visual show, which is of course a very it's a fun experience to watch a show, but you have to be in a place, sit down and watch and everything. This is, you can hear it on the go, you can hear it while you exercise, while you can put it on the speaker while you're having a bath. You can listen to it anywhere.
And now random people are telling you stories. पहले घर वाले बताते थे, अब कोई भी आके एक story बता के जाएगा. So which is amazing. So you have much more varied choices of stories that you can listen to, not just from your part of the world, but all over the world.
With the baggage of Kumkum Bhagya's success, did you guys feel any more responsibility on your shoulders when you were doing this project? Because it's like coming back together.
We had the biggest responsibility was the responsibility to have lots of fun, because I strongly believe that when you have fun, it really translates. It really translates. So we had fun from day one. Even when we read the script, we were having fun. We found some things really funny, and we joked about that, and we moved on. And yeah, so we are thankful to our audiences and our fans for giving us the same love that they've given Kumkum Bhagya, and making Darmiyan a really as in one of the most watched, one of the most heard shows in the first day of its launch. So which is incredible. So I or Shriti or anyone associated with the show cannot make this happen. The only people who can make this happen are the fans. So thank you to each and every one of you.
So we have some fun him and her game. I'll ask who among you is like more in these situations, and you have to answer that. Who is always late on set?
Always to nahi, but more. He's more on time or before time.
Spends more time on phone.
I do. With his chess probably. Or...
Yeah.
Okay.
I just like playing chess.
Wow. Who's a prankster on set?
Him. He's on this side of the phone.
Has the best advice. Always. Who's more lazy?
Yeah, both of us.
Better taste in food.
He knows
I don't know.
where to get good food.
Yeah, I would say more. I kind of do more research on food.
And he also gets amazing food from home.
Okay.
Yeah.
Better taste in fashion.
What?
In fashion.
In fashion.
Neither.
Both.
Better moves on the dance floor.
Depends.
I get the hint.
Yeah.
Takes more chutti from work.
What?
Takes more chutti from work.
Equal amount of chutti because
Yeah. Yeah, it kind of correlates.
Okay. Some fun story that's there to be revealed.
Yeah, so I'll it's this reveal thing is from both of us.
Okay.
So Shruti has a problem with laughing.
Oh God.
She just can't, like, she laughs all the time, but in front of the mic she just can't. So yeah. So every time she would laugh, she wouldn't know when to stop.
There's no
Yeah.
voice, like there's no sound in my laughter.
Yeah. So doing an audio show, that gets really difficult
Right.
because
Also,
thankfully Sakshi's not laughing so much in the first season. Yeah, but season 2 you'll have to practice, huh, Shruti?
So Shabir is also giving us a hint that there's a season 2.
I'm giving you a hint. As in, there are a lot of people requesting for season 2. We've got a lot of mails and messages from about how they love season 1, and but naturally it should translate to season 2. Hopefully, let's see what Audible and Balaji decide. Eventually, it's their call, but we are looking forward to it.
Right. Sakshi or Pragya, who is Shabir's favorite?
what? Achha, Shabir.
Sakshi or Pragya, who does Shabir likes more? And for you, Shriti, Abhi or Ridhan? Choose one.
Me, it's Shriti, number 1.
Bawar.